Thank you for supporting this channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video if you can. Thank you. We really appreciate your support. We can't say how much we thank you for subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Thank you.
Hello, hi everybody, welcome to Worldtopia channel, and today we are going to review the different new stainless steel fidget spinners. Two of them is from the Magic Shark, it's a new brand, and one is from, let me see, this one from the Pwnage, and they make these classic Valkyrie spinners, or they carry them. So let's get started. So this one is, they're very cool. They don't offer Amazon Prime. They give you extra bearing. I think I bought them.
Give you a pouch.
Which is called Magic Shark.
Extra bearing here.
And this color, I think it's the UFO.
Extremely big UFO.
You can see that. Ooh, super shiny. So this is stainless steel, and compared to our aeroships, you can see there a bigger version of it.
Here,
and this is very shiny and very quiet, just like typical stainless steel spinners. And we know the Samshao doesn't spin longer than the Victory, so we use a Victory. So I think they are like kind of they're zinc. They are not stainless steel, so they are the zinc metal. So they are cheaper. They are around like $10, like $10 to $12.
So I was actually investigating the case, and here on the bottom there's a tag that shows you what this actually did. I had to rip it to open it, but it says the name is Soul Eater, brand is Magic Shark,
and
it's stainless steel. This one's called Soul Eater. Pretty cool name.
So, and the other one is a Pwnage. Looks like Angry Wolf with their logo. So this one is just straight out of the box. I'm not sure that
they might have cloned Angry Wolf. We don't know.
They're similar price range, probably a little bit cheaper.
They are the exact same thickness, same build type. They look like they're twins. So if I flipped it over, I'm like, which one's Angry Wolf? You're never gonna know. But it's actually this one, because Angry Wolf has a logo on both sides.
Yeah, so this is Pwnage. And the other one is different. It's YGJ. And this is a stainless. Sometimes this is zinc, so you have to kind of like this one is also chrome stainless steel, that polish.
Extremely shiny.
So let's see how they perform. So let's get started. So we will spin our Sunkong, two spinners, Triton and Angry Wolf, Valkyrie, the Soul Eaters, UFO. So that this one, even they spin, almost give you kind of the mirror look alike, the mirror light effect. Very cool. And this is how the Samshao, I think that they're kind of chrome, blackish chrome, they kind of black gold, but this is made from zinc, so they are the cheaper version of it. The Victory can spin longer than my Samshao version, but they are kind of the same design, just different colors and coatings. So they are very cool. That both of them are super shiny, and they give you kind of like Magic Shark, different model, and give you size, and the material is all stainless steel. They don't offer the Amazon Prime yet, so you just have to buy and they ship from China, so it take a while to get here. But I bought 2 of them together, so they can give you extra bearing. That's very nice. So this one will make sure that they apply very cool stainless. You can tell maybe it's steel ball bearing or some sort of hybrid. But this one probably like you can see that this one is not, it's kind of like polished but not like chrome mirror like. But they are all these 3 are all stainless steel. I like the stainless steel that for example the only high quality spinner is one of my favorite. It's super quiet, nice weight distributions, and it spin really nice and smooth. This one probably 3 minutes, not our longest spin time, but it's very see that this very smooth right here. So when you flick it, it's very comfortable. There's no sharp edge, everything's polished. It feels really nice on your hand. So this one is made by, the one on the right is made by YGJ. Give you extra, and it's nice. Give you extra opener on the side. It's a stainless. It's only like less than $20. So it's different design. So just let's see how it performs. It's YGJ stainless steel spinners. It's a 3 to 8 minutes. So we are kind of 4 minutes. It doesn't go to 8 minutes. So I would say 4 minutes plus, but not 8. So that one stop. So you can see that this one also is, it's a chrome stainless steel, very shiny and reflective. And I would say that this is a good design. It's a CNC machine, so you can see this one piece of metal. And give you brass ring protectors around the bearing, so it's one piece. And this one is about $3.2. It's very similar to the Angry Wolf. Angry Wolf is around 3.3. So, and our only high quality is 2.3. It's lightweighted, small, compact. But so far they're pretty impressive. That they can all spin that almost 6 minutes. They're catching up, but this one is just does not stop. So let's say make it 6. So this one is almost 6 minutes. A little bit loud, but just probably it's just the weight. So let's see. 3.1 is not that bad. It's lighter than the what's that? The YGJ. No one can remember the name. And this is called Magic Shark. So this one is very nice. Oops. So the Pwnage, the Engroove clone. So this one is very good. Even the ring is stainless steel, but this one very prone to the fingerprint. You can see it. So you have to clean it all the time. They don't give you a clean cloth, but very nice. So our Victorian can reach 7 minutes now. So this one I would say is close to the Angry Wolf. So we can take a look at the inside. So this one, and we'll just take this Angry Wolf. So they are almost identical. So but the socket that hold the bearing, this one is a brass, and Angry Wolf use stainless steel. So they cut a little bit corner here. I mean the brass probably is just a bit cheaper. So even though they look the same, but they are different. So they're a little bit different. The price is, this one is a little bit cheaper than Angry Wolf as well, but so yeah, I mean virtually identical. You know, the machinery. Let's check the weight. So I would say they're the same. So this is the Angry Wolf 3.3 and Pwnage is 3.3. So they are, I would say they are probably coming from the same factory. So right now that this one, I'm surprised. So this one is, they are going to beat Sunkong, or they're close to it, but we spin Sunkong first. So Sunkong can spin for like 9 minutes. So now we break 9 minutes, and they are very, very close. So it's at 9 minutes. So that this one is pretty impressive, and it's quite heavy. This one is 4.65. Then this one only 3.1. So this is our mini one. That's the mini is, so they are almost the same weight distribution. Like this is a mini, so this one is heavier. The Triton V2 will be heavier. So that's it for today. This one very impressive, almost 9 minutes. So this is the Magic Shark UFO. I mean very heavy. It's not easy to flick. Very quiet. Then this one is a bit louder. This one's quiet. Quieter than the Angry Wolf. The Pwnage, I would say the Pwnage is probably quieter than Angry Wolf, but just a little bit. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe and also check out all the other video right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.